Yeah, so I talk to Russ, I'm gonna go do the show. So I just I said that now because I'm supposed to get my royalty and my pay because you're wealthy, and alright. What me do is a righteous man, so no worry. Right, so from there now, we set a date. We set a date for me go help him, with the rudiments of how to incorporate his rush communication, because I did incorporate my smart venture corp, saying, yeah, so it's so I'm sure you how powerful the universe is, Rasta, you know. So it so happened that the day before the appointed time for me, Uncle Rush, I was in Uniondale, Long Island, and I stopped at a store, I guess, what's that, Nassau Road, name a shoe store. So I'm going there to see, what type of garments or anything that I could get. I mean, there I look around and a brother bus in there, I must say some things and he must say, like him know them and them know him, So I don't know somebody tell him say I man is a MC, like MC show and thing. Them know me. So he must say yes, so him start say at the studio him a going and him for reach the studio a certain time and him brethren. Forgot what him say him brethren name. To pick him up here so and him no see him and him a call him and no answer. So he make a joke and I say, listen, him a Trini, and me a Jamaican, and I think them say a Jamaican always late. But him late you know and we laugh. Cough. So he must say, Brethren, you drive? And I man say, yeah, me a steer, Him say, you can give me a ride to the studio. Yeah, me a go to the studio. I say, boy, a Queens, me have a appointment. Him say, yeah, man, other way them man go, man. So I say, alright, yeah, man, I can drive you to the studio, but I have to make a stop first. So him say, yeah, so when we get in the ride now, him say, you can just make a drive down in a Roosevelt round to him house, let me see if I sleep, him asleep and him not hear the phone. Saying, so we drive down a Roosevelt time house and him knock him up and him come back and say him not there. So him say, can we stop at that store there, so him not there, that corner store there, him not there. Him say, well, if him not there, none of them places, brother, I don't know, I have to get to the studio. So we hit the southern state and boom, boom. So we did the attack and I laugh and them thing there and them ask me, which show and which artist me do. So I say, right now, is an appointment me have with Russell Simmons. You ever hear of him? Him say, yeah, me hear of him, I like to meet him. I say, well, I have an appointment for go meet him, so I carry you and we introduce you. And him say, yeah. I think them time them tell me same name was Dusky or Dusky or some Dusky, some ski type of thing. Right? Him never tell me Busta Rhymes them time there. So we ride over to Alice 99 on Farmers Boulevard and tell me to meet him. So Russell Simmons tell me say when I come for just go on at the train trestle and ask for him. Cause they saw them like them entertainment center, what I say. So when I go on at the train trestle, I go is a basketball court and all if I youth they play basketball. So him there just go over there and ask for him. So I man forward through the train trestle and I say, well, for you to play basketball, so I ask one of them for Russell Simmons. Him say, oh, I say Russell Simmons, you don't know Russell Simmons. Him say, yeah, but let me get him for you. So I did there wait, then I see a man come in, what you call it, wife beater, or like him just a workout. Yeah, who are you? I hear that a Jamaican here, I look for my man. I say, your man? I say, your man? Who is your man? I hear you asking for Russell Simmons. That's my man. What you want with him? So I say, well, I'm here, him something for come check him, about some business with Rush Communication. He said, oh, Rush, alright. Just stay over there, you see? Just go by right there by where you see those big wheels. I guess the telephone companies have some them lines and thing and some big wheel, 99 and farmers, just so people know, right? So I go over there, go wait, park up there, right? Bus, Dusky or Buster Rhymes now, you know, they are wait. So Russell Simmons come, you know, and him start chop it up and I show him, you know, how it happen, how I find him. And him a tell me that that's LL, right? LL Cool J. I think him the just boss, you know. Him come, right. So man him deal with how to set up rush communication and things. So when me done, I say, me have a rapper in the car, you know. He say his name is Dusky or whatever, bust time and tell me. Dusky, not Dusky. I say, yeah. He say he wants to meet you. So then I go get him and bring him over and introduce them. So them they chop it up and attack. Oh, and I say, at the studio, him say him go in and remember me they tell you say me have to go show a house, you know. Cause them time me have do my real estate thing too. Me have an appointment for show a house. So if you got the studio, me take you to the studio now and then, you know, exchange number, you can talk. And Russell Simmons said, no man, leave him. Because I want to chop it up with him. I'll take him to the studio. You want to stay? And boss say, yeah, I'll stay if you can take me to the studio, you know. So I take off and left them, saying, yeah, that's where the story ends. I'm not hear nothing again. I'm not get my royalty for Rush Communication. Rush Communication get beat. Let me restate that. I did hear from Russell Simmons again one time after that, and he called me to say he wanna book me on a deaf poetry jam thing that him start. I say, but comedy and poetry is not the same, so why would I be on the deaf poetry? No. But I know Rush, Uncle Rush is a righteous man, so I hope to hear from you. See, all the other people, them all know, none of them no dispute or even refute where I say, none of them no say, me defame them or, you know what I say? Because we're not cap, it is, but everybody's silent, because everybody think me come off of them about money and them things. Me not come off of them about money. I come off about I and I inheritance and I hereditament and I legacy. Seeing because there's a lot of things we can join venture with. Seeing I have my own funding. Because right now, when the United States Treasury don't do their audit of I record, it will show that I is richer than Elon Musk and 50 Cent. Truly. When we hear and say, so I now run down no money or lift I sold to vanity. I never have. That's why I just live and be happy and live freely. Not a dead slave. So no one can hold I down to every first of the month and all them things in my heart I go quack and me a worry and me a sweat and can't sleep the night before. So when I deal with because all the people them say the most people die at the end of the month because they think about the first of the month all the bills. Saying, because I have lived myself beyond them remnant. Seeing, so that's interesting. You know, Uncle Rush, big up yourself. The people that want to see on this side, they long for see and hear from you. You know, there's no secret, nothing to hide about. Because what we do in our DNA, right? What they say we go to the healing stream or the bombing yard, you know, see it. And what the eye say, what you say we do? We recalibrate, right? And reset. And go forward and reassemble ourselves. So because Babylon has disassembled us, you know. So we have to recalibrate and reassemble ourselves. No one can do it from you. And Uncle Bob tell us, emancipate yourselves from mental slavery, because that's all it is. Is we impose it on ourselves, because in our DNA we have the keys. See, big up yourself, boss. Big up yourself. See, Hempstead Union deal and them thing, them need to see up on a stage up there. People them long to see up on a stage up there. Hear me I say a stage, even on the heights over there. You see me? And the R-Show crew, big up on yourself, Buster Rhymes supposed to give on a show, saying, Zippygan said that.